Patrick at Pals, and I'm here today with Andy with Service Equipment Specialist. Now, Andy puts in all of our lifts in each bay, and he also maintains them for us. You know, they get a lot of use, and they need to be maintained. Andy, how long have you been in business?
Here, 27 years, overall 56 years.
Over 56 years, 27 at this location doing this here for us, and a lot of other dealers. A lot of other shops use Andy to put in their lifts and maintain them. Now, about how often are you putting in new lifts, Andy? Do you have a waiting list?
We do. Normally, we're in the summertime, it's busy. We're usually a week behind.
Usually a week behind.
Yes, sir.
And you got involved in this 56 years ago. What caused you to get involved with the lift business?
I was in the Air Force. When I got out, I was in the aerospace ground equipment, which is similar, hydraulics, electric, all air. Everything we do with the lifts are all part of it.
So it was a natural to get into this.
So it's over, yes, sir.
Well, sir, I can't tell you how much we appreciate you. You know, I've been in business for 23 years, and I've had 2 different locations, and Andy has put in every lift that I've ever had, and that's because he does a quality job. You know, when you find a good company, you stick with them, and we sure appreciate you, Andy.
Thank you, Pat.
Take care. See you soon.
Thank you.